On the morning of May 18th, students from the NCCU GCIT program visited the Google Taipei Headquarters at Taipei 101 for an inspiring professional advising session. Stepping into one of the world's leading technology companies, students experienced an environment filled with creativity, innovation, and collaboration. The session began with Tony Chang, head of gTech Ad Solution for Hong Kong, Korea, and Taiwan, who introduced the growing impact of AI technologies in digital advertising and global communication. Next, Sandy Xu, app solution expert at gTech, shared insights into AI-powered multilingual copywriting generation and optimization, demonstrating how artificial intelligence is transforming the way brands communicate across cultures and languages. Following that, Tina Chang, a video solution expert at gTech, explored how AI is reshaping video strategy and content optimization, offering students a closer look at the future of digital storytelling and audience engagement. Students then heard from Lorenzo Tseng, account strategist at Google Taiwan, who spoke about AI-driven marketing innovation and creative generation. Through real industry examples, he shared how technology and creativity are coming together to redefine modern marketing. The session also included a hands-on activity where students used laptops to practice prompt design with Gemini Gems. The session wrapped up with Claire Chen and Tony Chang sharing insights on innovation and the future of AI communication. More than just an office visit, this experience allowed GCIT students to connect academic learning with real-world industry practice while exploring the future of global communication and technology. One morning at Google Taipei, an unforgettable experience for GCIT.
Master's Program in Global Communication and Innovation Technology, NCCU.